Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix laptop keyboard not working in Windows 11. First method is change accessibility options. Use on-screen keyboard. Second method is rollback keyboard driver. Third method is uninstall keyboard driver. Fourth method is update keyboard driver. Fifth method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.